Nice to meet you. Today, we will learn step by step how to sign up using the Binance app, as well as how to use peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. Please follow along slowly. First, let's learn how to sign up for Binance. Install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, please open the app. Press the Sign Up button at the top right to proceed with registration. Enter your email or phone number. After agreeing to the terms below, tap Continue. When a verification code is sent to the email or phone number you entered, please enter that verification code. Next, enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. Next, you need to enter an inviter. So please make sure to press the Yes button on this screen. Then you will be able to enter a referral ID. Here, please enter BB333. Then you will receive a 20% Binance trading fee discount and bonus rewards. Please make sure to enter it before proceeding. Next, we will proceed with the KYC verification. To use Binance's deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions, KYC verification is required. First, select your country of residence. Then choose the ID you want to verify. Among the various IDs listed below, select one ID that you currently have. In today's video, we will choose a passport. Press Take Pictures to take a photo of your ID. Next, align the passport information page with the camera screen, and scan it clearly without any light reflection. Then proceed with the face verification. Align your face with the camera screen, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Then the entire KYC verification step will be completed. Now the KYC verification review will proceed for about 1 hour. And once the review is complete, the KYC verification will be successfully completed. Next, we will learn how to set up Google Authenticator for security. Please move to the Binance home screen. Tap the Binance icon at the top left, then tap the arrow icon at the top right. Select the security menu. Tap to set up the Authenticator app. Then tap Enable. When a verification code is sent to your email or mobile, please enter that verification code. Then you will move to the Authenticator link screen. Here you can see that a 16-digit key for Binance has been generated. Please copy this 16-digit key. Then install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. First, tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Binance. For your key, paste the 16-digit key copied from the Binance app. Then tap the Add button below. A 6-digit code for Binance will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Please copy this 6-digit code, and return to the Binance app. Tap Next below. Then in the Authenticator app code field, paste the 6-digit code copied from the Google Authenticator app. Then the Google Authenticator setup will be successfully completed. Now, to use the various features of Binance, let's switch the app to Pro mode. Please move to the Binance home screen. Tap the Binance icon at the top left. Tap the button that says Binance Pro at the bottom. Then the Binance Pro mode will be activated. Second, let's learn how to deposit to Binance. There are several ways to deposit coins into Binance. Today, I will show you the peer-to-peer trading method that does not require fees. On the Binance home screen, tap Assets at the bottom right. At the top menu, you can see several types of wallets. Futures is a wallet for futures trading, and Spot is a wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. To deposit coins, please select Spot. Tap Add Funds. Next, you need to choose a deposit method, so please select Peer-to-Peer here. Then you will move to the Peer-to-Peer trading screen. First, tap the button at the top right, and you can choose the currency used to purchase coins. To buy coins, select By Mode. Tap this button below, and you can choose the coin you want to purchase. Usually, USDT is used the most because it has high trading volume and low volatility. Tap this button next to it to enter the purchase amount. Tap the button next to it to select the payment method. Then a list of various advertisers will appear. To trade safely, it is recommended to trade with an advertiser that has high trading volume and a high completion rate. If you have selected the advertiser you want to purchase from, tap the Buy button. Some advertisers may require additional identity verification. First, enter the amount you want to purchase. Then select the payment method. Before proceeding with the purchase, please make sure to check the advertiser's info. Next, tap the Place Order button. Then the advertiser's deposit information will appear. Before making the deposit, make sure to check the advertiser's chat. Before depositing, please check the advertiser's account information once more. Now you can proceed with the deposit. Once the deposit is completed, tap the Upload Payment Proof button. Then upload at least one payment proof image. Next, agree to the terms below. And tap Transferred, Notify Seller. Once all steps are completed, please return to the Binance home screen. Tap Assets at the bottom right. After a moment, once the advertiser confirms the deposit, you will be able to see that the coins have been deposited into your spot wallet. Third, let's learn how to trade futures on Binance. To start futures trading on Binance, you need to transfer coins from spot to futures. First, tap Spot Wallet. To transfer coins to the futures wallet, tap Transfer. Set the transfer direction from Spot Wallet to USDM Futures. Select the coin to transfer. Enter the amount to transfer. Then after a moment, you will see that the coins have been transferred to the futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, tap the Futures button at the bottom right. Then you will move to the futures trading screen. First, tap the Coin button at the top left, and you can select the coin you want to trade. Tap this button below to set the margin mode. Cross means opening a position using all available margin. And Isolated means opening a position using only part of the margin. For beginners, it is recommended to trade using the relatively safe or isolated mode. Tap the button next to it to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. The higher the leverage, the greater the profit potential, but the liquidation risk also increases. So beginners are recommended to trade with low leverage for safety. Next, tap this button to set the position direction. If you expect the coin price to rise, tap Buy. If you expect the coin price to fall, tap Sell. In this section, you can check the available margin. Tap the button below to set the order type. Limit means placing an order at a specified price. And Market means placing an order at the current market price. In this section, you can set the trading price and quantity. Now again, if you expect the coin price to rise, tap Buy Long. If you expect the coin price to fall, tap Sell Short. Once the position is selected, tap the Positions button below. Then you can check the current position status of the coin you entered. Here you can see that ROI means the current rate of return. Entry price means the price at which you entered the position. Mark price means the current market price. Leak price means the liquidation price. If the price reaches that level, the position will be automatically liquidated. If you press the TPSL button here, you can set the take profit price and stop loss price for risk management. Finally, if you tap the Close button, you can close the position. Market means closing at the current market price. And the limit means closing at a specified price. Next, enter the closing price and quantity. And tap Confirm. Then the position will be successfully closed. Today we learned step by step how to sign up for the Binance app, as well as how to use peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. If you find anything difficult while following the video, or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and like the video. I will come back with a better video next time.